Prince Harry's arrogance over court appeal blasted by Levin. Prince Harry has been told to pay for his own security by Royal Biographer Angela Levin, following his appeal over his arrangements when in the UK. The Duke has been granted an appeal by the courts after claiming that he is unable to bring his wife Meghan or their 2 children due to safety concerns. Lord Justice Bean had told the Prince he is not entitled to jump the queue because of his status. Discussing reports that the request to have the appeal heard sooner is due to a planned world tour by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, Levin said he is not well enough in the VIP group to go ahead of everybody else. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any news about the British monarchy. She claimed it would be arrogant of Harry to go around the world on taxpayer money. She continued, "I think that this country will go absolutely mad if they use our taxpayers' money to go around the world." Sharing her predictions for the locations of the reported world tour, Levin claimed that the couple may spend a lot of time in Africa, following the success of their Nigeria visit. However, she argued that the British public would be very annoyed if they used Prince Harry's level of protection around the world, if it is granted to him. Levin fumed, "I can't see how you can keep on going back again and again and again, but he's very determined. He's absolutely determined." In disagreement with Levin, Mark argued that Harry is the king's son and needing the level of security he requires was not a choice he's made, but it is his birthright. Mark pressed Levin, asking, "Doesn't he deserve the best protection? How would we feel as a country if, God forbid, something happened to Harry?" Levin hit back, claiming, "If he comes for anything to do with the royal family, he has the best protection. If he comes to see friends or to do something that's got nothing to do with the royals, he has grade 2 or grade 3. If you step down from being a royal, you can't expect the same sort of attention that you get if you're not, and you can't actually control it." Levin continued, "He doesn't get that. But you have to accept that. You can't take it out of the government. It's just not right. He can pay for it if he wants to for himself, but he can't actually expect us to pay for him and his family all the time." Prince Harry is searching for a UK base as his friends do not visit him in the US due to rifts with Meghan Markle, a royal commentator has claimed. The Duke of Sussex wants to find a home in the UK after being evicted from his royal residence Frogmore Cottage last year. Harry has lived in California with his wife Meghan Markle since 2020 after they dramatically quit their jobs as working royals and moved across the pond. Royal commentator Tom Quinn claimed that the Duke is sad that he doesn't have a British address and misses some of his old friends. Quinn told the Mirror, "As time goes by, Harry misses some aspects of his old life in the UK. Inevitably, the honeymoon period where everything in the States is new and exciting is coming to an end and Harry is looking back at the past through rose-tinted spectacles." The royal commentator added, he misses his old Etonian and army friends, many of whom have not visited as they don't get on with Meghan. Harry is determined to find his own permanent home in the UK, which is partly why he's continuing his legal action to get the British taxpayer to pay for his security. Harry took legal action against the Home Office over its February 2020 decision, that he should receive a different degree of taxpayer-funded protection when in the country. In a judgment in February 2024, retired High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane rejected the Duke's case. However, Harry has been given the green light to challenge Sir Peter's dismissal at the Court of Appeal. The Duke has spoken about his love of the UK before, and in his memoir Spare, released last year, he talked about his eviction from Frogmore Cottage. Harry wrote, "Once upon a time, this was going to be my forever home. Instead, it had proved to be just another brief stop." The couple were allowed to keep Frogmore Cottage as their UK base for several years after they were gifted the house as a wedding present from the late Queen.